We're going to be filling out the inside side view for a project that has a fixed shelf and an adjustable shelf on the bottom. So if we take a look at our plans, that's a fixed shelf right here on the top. This is a shelf opening, and it's going to have an adjustable one down here where maybe the doors are at. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use our side view or our back view that we just previously did, and we're going to use that, open that up to copy some of the measurements into here. So for example, 30 inches tall, that number can come right here, and we're going to put 30 inches. And now we know the shelf down, we added a 16th onto that opening from the front view. So we're just going to transfer this over. We know this is right. So 9 and 9/16, that number is going to come here. 9 space 9 divided by 16 inches. Okay. Down here at the bottom, we know that this shelf should sit a 16th lower than the front face frame rail, and we did that when we calculated. And so that number was 3 and 7/16. So we're going to take that 3 and 7/16 and put that here, 3 and 7/16. So as long as your back view has been checked off, then we should be able to fill this out correctly and have the right measurements as long as your instructors check this off and we know that these sizes are right. Okay, now we need to go to our side view to get our side sizes. So we're going to open up my side view. And here it is. Okay, so as I look at this, my overall width with the face frame to the back of the cabinet, and if I look down here, which one is that? That's down here. Face frame to the back of the cabinet right here. So I'm going to transfer over 16 inches for that size right there is going to come right down here. So 16 inches. Okay. Now we need to know if we come up to the top, we can see this size is the size of the plywood without the face frame. And we have that measurement right here. Okay. Without the face frame, the width of the plywood is 15 and 1/8. So I'm going to take that number and plug that in. 15 and 1/8 inches. All right. So now what we have left is this measurement here. And this is going to tell us the size of this shelf. This shelf is a different size than this one because the backing material has to clear this shelf and slide all the way down till it gets to down here. Okay, right down here, this shelf is going to have this same groove in it, so the backing will stop right there. Now this shelf has to be shorter again so that that backing can clear it. So we got to do a little bit of math, and we're going to do 15 and 1/8 minus a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch. So a 1/2 and a 1/4 is 3/4 of an inch. So we're going to take 15 and 1/8 minus 3/4 of an inch, and that is going to go here, and that's 14 and 3/8 inches. Okay, that's going to be our sizes that we need to plug in from our side and our back view. So again, this is for filling out the inside side view with a fixed base or a fixed shelf on top and an adjustable shelf down here in the bottom opening. So if you have any questions, please talk to your instructor and they can help you get these answered.